Okay, so now is the time when you have to make the tough decisions. Do I fix it 100% complete, or do I get it where it is repairable, or repaired enough to make it through this next cut? Now, normally I would opt for fix it completely. In this case, I am going to opt for fix it so it works, because I've got hay that's in the field cut and hay that is in the field not cut. So I have got to cut the rest of the hay, or this hay cut is going to be pretty well blown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out all of the old grease in here, get out any sort of debris that's in here, and reassemble, clean up the bearing surfaces here. This one here needs to be replaced. I just don't have time. It's going to happen after this cut. I've got to get the baler restrung with wire. So if it doesn't make it, well, I get more hay. And again, some of the choices we have to make, right? I've got one replacement bearing, 44643. And I bought a bunch of replacements. Better believe this isn't. Oh, I gotta clean up. Got a bearing surface in here that caught a bunch of chatter as it was tearing itself up. Clean that up the best I can here. Oh, I know, this is extremely wrong. And I should do whatever it takes to get that out of there. Now let me just try one thing here. Hey, it's moving. Okay, all right. You're right. Hecklers in TV land do it the right way. At least mostly right. Or you'll regret it. And I would have. Okay, I got the race out, put a new race in there, back to work. Clean this up. Okay, something flat and hard that will drive you down in straight. How about this thing? I'm going to be watching it from the side here. Okay, that worked. Now with the old bearing, get it all the way down in there. Okay, it was worth the extra 3 minutes. I've got a new race in there now. Perfectly happy with that. Should be good to go. Alright, we are new raced, new bearings. New race, new bearings. Nice and rolly. Let's get this thing back together, huh? What do you say? I may still save this cut. That's the goal. That is the goal. Okay. New Holland 451 reassembly process. Let's see how this goes. I do have a nice fan blowing on me. Alright, so first step, put this plate on here. Let's get our nuts and bolts handy. A couple of lock washers on the back side here. And a couple of nuts. Just kind of hold this in place. Got our new stud there, all welded in. Lock washer on the back of this one. Nut. Again, I just want to snug these up. Okay, and then if I remember, we had some spacers to cover those threads. See, all the rest of these are kind of locked in. Because what happens is this plate on here next. No. Okay, so here we go. Gotta have this on here. Put that down. Okay. So I want this plate on there, and that piece on there. Off a little bit. Okay. That on there, and this on here. Like so. Okay, and then that one, have this nut, I believe. Right. Okay. going. Oh, I left you some?
Yeah. I forgot about the carrier again.
Alright.
Half of it.
Yeah.
I didn't think you were going to be there when I got home.
Love you. Nice big Newcastle nut. Good so far, right? Good for YouTube land. Well, I think I found the root cause of my problem there. I don't know if you saw it, but that just slipped off of there. So I think what I'm going to do here is put a couple spot welds on there to ensure that that's held into place. If it comes loose of there, this cotter isn't going to be enough to hold it in place. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I think that ought to do it. More and more fun. Okay, that is good. That is good. That is good. Next, those are tight. That's tight. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, let's look over the aftermath here. See what we got. Tools all spread out. But I think I've got the assembly all back together now. The only thing that I've got left in the bucket is one bolt, and that holds our cutter inside of there. Just got to hook the belt up, hook the tractor up, and put some grease in there, and I think we're good to go. So that is where I will leave you. New Holland 451 disassembly repair for the pivoting mechanism in the front here. Replacing out the bearings, the race, and then castle nut. I actually had to weld that onto the shaft and weld the shaft back into that plate. So there you go. Hope it was fun for you as it was for me. Get out there, have you some man time too. Just don't become a farmer. Holy Lord.